Well, she's back from paint, looking good. Now I just gotta put everything back together, but it turned out really nice. I'll get some more pictures when I pull it out and start putting some stuff back together on it. I almost forgot to start videoing, but I'm gonna put my clips in. I just put them in for the windshield trim. I'm gonna put some other stuff on. I put my antenna back on. And I found that the clips go in easier with one of these. You just kind of pop them in there. Going fairly straight. But other than that, I still have to do headlights, badges, some weather strip, quarter windows, interior stuff, headliner, door panels. I'll probably think about something else that I need to do, but most of the parts are around the tables. Alright, plugging away. Headlights in, fog lamps in, Ford emblem in. Put the quarters back in, or new quarters in. Buttoned up a couple little interior trim pieces in the hatch. Still need to do, I still have a few parts left over there, so I'll get to it here in the next, hopefully get her pretty wrapped up by the next weekend. Painted my center caps, which look really nice, other than the fact that now they look really nice. And the old turbines are in need of some scrubbing. I'll probably paint those too. Alright, later. Alright. The guy advertised the cargo cover as for 87, 88s. And it's too short, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I have to sell it, find the right one, because I don't know, I want the correct stuff. Working on my headliner. I did get the main things holding it up. I got to do the back, but I was really excited when my map light works now, and hopefully my vanity mirrors still work when I plug those in. Back seats in, all the speakers are back in, trim's back in, quarter windows are all sealed up. I had to order new bolts because I dropped two in the door, or in the quarter. I gotta put that back piece of trim on, the front piece of trim on, make sure everything's square, and then I'll cut my excess material, wrap it around in this channel, put the retainer on. I have to figure out if I gotta put the retainer on first or the weather stripping in and then the retainer. So I will be back. Well, I got my weather strip in, and I redid the weather strip on the T. Worked out okay. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt. I think these are a little high, but I'm gonna live with them. I would say, other than I put the door panels, I put the new speaker grills on and the new insulation inside. I just got to adjust the windows, put the door panels back on, and I'd say some power washing on the wheels maybe. Other than that, I think she's hot to trot.